Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm the shipping manager at Quanex in Thomasville, North Carolina. Down in shipping, we are the last eyes to see product out the door. So we're just basically, in my department, we are working as a team to complete orders as they come in. Everything that comes in down in the shipping department has a purpose. So there's no busy work as far as just to keep us busy. Everything has to move and flow. So what landed me here at Quanex, I did not know, coming out of school what I wanted to do. So I fell into working at a country club, worked my way up to a banquet coordinator, working holidays, weekends, 60 hours a week, not really getting a chance to enjoy family and friends, and got to that point in my life where I was like, I need something new. And I had this friend that said, hey, we're starting something new. Would you like to come join us? No more weekends, no more holidays. So I was like, sure, why not? Let's start a new adventure in life. When I started here, we were 100,000 in sales with a slow growth, but as we got our foot in the door with some new customers, started proving our worth, our value, I've watched this place grow from 100,000 in sales a month to almost 2 million in sales a month. My favorite part about manufacturing is seeing the beginning, which is an order, and then seeing the whole process before that even takes place. Kind of prepared in that sense, right? So by seeing the whole process before it starts, you're prepared for any problems that arise. And getting everybody's feedback in those problems and working as a team helps me enjoy it even more, right? So it's not just me. Watching them grow, watching them help me, they've learned what they've learned from me, what I've learned from them. That's what I enjoy. And most of them probably don't even know that. That's what kind of gets me motivated. That's what fires me up, is seeing how they've grown, seeing how they pitch in, and how they can teach me, right? So all that together is what makes me excited, and that's what drives me in manufacturing. Proud of employees because they take ownership of what they do, right? They take pride in what they do. Pride in your work reflects in the product you send out, reflects in getting orders out on time, keeps customers happy, and helps business grow, right? So hard work and dedication to their job is instrumental to our growth and who we are and what we do and the relationships that we've built over the last 14 years and the confidence that we've gained from our customers. I'm Brandon, and I'm a part of something bigger.